Draw a sketch for revolve. Then revolve. Then make a plane for helix. Then make a sketch for helix on the plane. Then make a helix with the desired height and pitch. Then make another plane for tool body. Then make a sketch for tool body on the plane which we have recently made. Then make revolve, don't merge it, so it will have two bodies. Then cut sweep, select tool body as a profile to cut and the path is a helix. And select the body from which you want to cut, it's a drill body, and then it's OK. And I got and make a circular pattern of that cut in 2 instances. Ready. Thank you.